Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Samsung Internet to warn about malicious sites on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. And then we're going to tap on the Samsung Internet app. Once open, tap on the menu key at the bottom right hand corner. From the pop-up, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, you want to go down and tap on Privacy and Security. Then we go down again and tap on Warn About Malicious Sites. So tap on the switch to turn it on or off. Now, so that you haven't visited any malicious websites, if there are any, it will show us in here. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.